My name is Krista Rubin. I'm a nurse practitioner at a cancer center in Boston, and I'm also an active board member at the CMPF. I met Mary Ellen Maguire-Eisen years ago through an association known as the Dermatology Nurses Association, where Mary Ellen chaired the Skin Cancer Committee. I specialize in melanoma, and I take care of patients in medical oncology. I also see patients in dermatology, so I see patients diagnosed with melanoma across the spectrum. When I learned what Mary Ellen was doing with her association, I became very interested because in my practice, I hear a lot about young women in particular becoming obsessed with being able to go outside or not being able to go outside. So when I learned that Mary Ellen was focusing just on prevention in children, it really struck my interest because one of the questions I get from many of my patients is, how do I protect my children from getting melanoma? I have melanoma, does this mean my children are going to get it? So I spent a lot of time learning about what Mary Ellen does and became active in her association. And it's been really enlightening because I can bring what I've learned from Mary Ellen's association to my everyday practice, where I get to educate patients, teaching them that it's okay to go out in the sun, but to do so safely. I also have a personal interest because I happen to be married to a redhead and have redheaded identical twins. And so on a personal note, I, as a mother, have to learn how to protect my children. And it's not so easy to put sunscreen on little children. And so I have been able to identify with my patients, teaching methods, teaching different ways that you can protect children, or show them ways to be able to be outside, having fun in the sun, but safely. So I've been able to, in a way, merge my affiliation with the Children's Melanoma Prevention Foundation and in my role as a nurse practitioner in a cancer center. So it's really been amazing, and I am just privileged to be part of this association, and I really use what I learn through this association in my everyday practice and vice versa. So I've been really excited to be part of this association.